Hello, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third Sudoku in this additional of today's newspaper of Monday, February the 1st, 2021. We have here the third Sudoku, a binary puzzle. Binary puzzle number 1. Yes. And this one will be number 2258. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. And that means in a row or in a column, there are always 4 O's and 4 1's. Alright, so let's get started. Double 1, Hano Dano. Between 2 1's comes an O. Now we have 4 O's, so the rest are 1's. Double 1, Hano Dano. Double 1, Hano Dano. Between 2 1's comes an O. 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 Double O, hand 1, then 1. Double 1, hand O, then O. Double O, hand 1, then 1. Between 2 1's comes an O. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Double 1, hand O, then O. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Between 2 1's comes an O. Double O, 4 O's we have, so the rest are 1's. We have here 4 O's, so the rest are 1's. We have here 4 1's, so the rest are O's. And then, between 2 1's comes an O. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Double O, hand 1, then 1. 4 1's, so the rest are O's. Double O, hand 1, then 1. 4 O's, so the rest are 1's. And now we need to compare. Well, yeah. Alright. We need to compare. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. Alright. Do we have a double O? No. We have a O10. Here we have O10. Yeah. This column and that column. 0011 0011 empty box 1 1. So we need to switch these 2 digits. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. We have an O there, this should be a 1. Between 2 1's comes an O. We have 4 1's, so the rest are O's. We have here 4 O's, so the rest are 1's. We have here 4 1's, so the rest are O's. Compare again. Yes, compare again. Ah, 10 10. Do we have a 10 10 here? 10 10. Okay. This is not the same. We need to compare the columns. Do we have a double 1 here? No. 101. Do we have a 101 here? Yes, 101. 010. Yes. Can you see this? The last column and that column. Alright. 110011. Empty box 001100. We need to switch those 2 digits. We have an O here, this should be a 1. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. Now we have 4 O's, so the rest are 1's. We have here 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Finish in 5 minutes. Alright. Great Sudoku. I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later with the last Sudoku. Not Sudoku, a tectonic one. Tectonic with 4 stars, aka Suguru. So, see you later. Bye bye for now.